I worked for the local newspaper in Santa Fe for a couple of years, $4 an hour. And, but I wanted to understand the business and the craft because again, I come from this self-taught, but I called on my peers. I talked to people. I read books. I did as much as I could. But I want to fast forward a little bit because I'm going to leap over years of experience because I want to talk, before I talk about infrared photography, I want to mention some of the pinnings, the underlying ideas that I learned as I was photographing to help me, because I realized most of the time when we travel, and this is one of the problems with travel photography, is you become too literal. It's like, oh, I see that, interesting, click. But no, you have to be an artist. You have to see photographically. And so yes, you're seeing something, but you're never photographing exactly what you see. You're always interpreting. And it took me a long time to get to this point. And so I broke this down and I realized that the ultimate foundation is light. Of course, photography means right with light, all right? When I photograph, I want to be so deliberate, everything has to matter, and I want to see it all, and then it makes editing so much easier. So I bring this up because I'm going to talk about infrared next. And there are, I think color is definitely very hard because it adds that seductive element of color. But the great black and white photographers, Sebastian Delgado and Arnold Newman, they saw luminosity. They visualized photographs as black and white. They just didn't go, oh, the color doesn't work, now I'm going to make it a black and white. So when I got involved in infrared, it was the same thing. And so I was always trying, you know, photography is so challenging. And the good news about where we are in this age is it becomes even more challenging. There's more possibilities for how you can become an artist, and you have to define your own personal philosophy. And you can get sloppy at the beginning, but after a while you have to figure out what is it that interests you.